yardage ever a consideration for waist size, i.e. are 5-yard kilts better for skinnier folks, or does it not matter?
Is yardage considered for waist size? Abso-friggin-lutely. When you place an order for a kilt, at least on our website, there's breakdowns for when you select the hip measurement. A lot of companies, including us, will charge different amounts or surcharges as you move up. It's because we're actually ordering more cloth. So when we have a 5-yard kilt on our website, that starts a little bit under 5 yards if you're a really, really tiny guy, and it could actually go up to 6 or 7 yards if you're a really big guy. I'm not going to call it a 5, 6, or 4.5, 5, 6, 7 yard kilt because that will just confuse people as the model name. So we're just calling it 5-yard kilt, hard stop, and then on the back end, what we actually do is if your hips are 48, it's going to be closer to a 6-yard kilt than a 5-yard kilt. We're going to make it so that it fits you well. We have, we're giving the kilt makers enough cloth to actually make the kilt out of, so that the pleats don't have to be too wide, and they have a reasonable depth to them.
That's probably the biggest point there, is if we have a lot less material to work with, we got to make those pleats over an inch and a quarter, maybe inch and a half at the times. So yeah, trying to, as Shakira said, your hips don't lie. So you have to.
First Shakira reference potentially on the show.
That's
ever.
Right. So, but yeah, it's to keep those proportions right. We have to order that extra little bit of cloth.
Yeah, there way back when we first started. I remember making some kilts and ordering some kilts in from companies in Scotland. And one of the things that we ordered 4-yard casual kilts from one maker in Scotland. Name redacted. But I remember getting them in being like, wow, these pleats are too wide and they're too shallow. I do not like how this fits at all. I don't like how it hangs at all. Nope, we're just going to make our own 5-yard kilts, period. The problem to me, for that specific example to some degree, but the problem to me was it felt like they were just like, oh, fine, we'll make a casual kilt for you. It's still going to be X number of dollars, which is more than I thought it should have been, but we'll make it for you. Take this and go. And I always kind of approached it with, it's not the best thing that can be made for that amount of money. There should be more effort. It should still look almost as good as an 8-yard kilt, just sewn a little bit differently, just a little bit less fabric, cutting the fabric down to 4 yards and making it casual, and cutting too many corners made it just a bit too sloppy and a bit too ill-fitting and not great looking. And I still wanted our customers, even if they're spending $300 or $400, to have that sense of pride. And yes, this was made for me. Yes, it still makes me look good. Yes, it feels good. Yes, it looks like a proper kilt. And I think when you cut too many corners, you've kind of cut some of that stuff out. So I think 5 yards is about the minimum, unless you're like tiny, about the minimum that I would go for a kilt. Yeah, that's those people who are twigs. I am not.
Can't help it that I'm sized for love.
But yeah, trying to jam any more than that in there is going to get fun.
Yeah, exactly. So yes, ultimately to answer the question directly, yes, if you are a bigger guy, yes, you actually get more than 5 yards of kilt or 5 yards of fabric in your 5-yard kilt. We already account for that. We don't tell people about it. We don't brag about it. It's just one of those things that we automatically do because we want the kilt to look and fit as good as it can, period. So, cheers. So we talked about yardage of a 5-yard kilt as it relates to waist size. My question is, which do you prefer? A lower yardage kilt, like a 5-yarder, or an 8-yard knife-plated kilt with more cloth? More cloth is more swing. Less cloth is more balanced front and back and a little bit lighter weight for summer wear. Let me know in the comments which you prefer, higher yardage or lower yardage.